How to adjust the powertrain response on your next-gen compact wheel loader. So our next-gen compact wheel loaders give us the unique ability to adjust the response of our high stat. That is, lessen the amount of high stat braking and also increase the amount of time between shifts. We can do that for a variety of reasons. If you're truck loading, you may want a real snappy response. When you're doing directional changes, you may want that dynamic high stat braking. If you're moving some material around on pallets, you may not want that. You may not want to slide it off the pallet. So you may want to lessen that high stat braking. So we're going to go into next gen monitor, and I'm going to show you how to make these adjustments. First, we'll go into our settings screen. We're going to click on machine settings, and then we're going to scroll down to powertrain response. Now, as you can see here, we're in the fast mode currently. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. I'm going to raise our lift arms up, take our parking brake off. All right, now we're going to go forward. And you can see when I go into neutral, I get a sudden stop. Same thing with reverse. Pretty sudden stop there. So we're got these forks on. We're going to be doing some pallet work. So let's move this down to slow and see if we can see the difference here. Let's slow, back to home. Now let's see what we got. Look how much rollout we have when I go to neutral. In forward, going to neutral, look at the difference there. That's a lot of rollout. In reverse, going to neutral, several more feet of rollout. So if we had some material on a pallet that we didn't want to spill, that would be a lot easier to keep control of it. And even when I do a sudden directional change, I still get quite a bit more roll than I was getting before. So a great feature on our next gen compact loaders